In Season 1 of How to Build Smarter, we tore down a desktop 3D printer to show how to error-proof the most overlooked parts of manual assembly. Now, in Season 2, we're taking it airborne. We tore down a $1,300 drone, then reassembled it using work instructions we wrote from scratch, fully error-proofed by PICO. Every torque spec validated, every connector scanned, every step traceable, down to the operator, tool, and serial number. Because in aerospace manufacturing, one bad torque or skipped step doesn't just delay a build, it can ground a product line. This isn't just a teardown, it's a test of how to build faster, smarter, and flight-ready from day one. This is How to Build Smarter Season 2, the Drone Teardown.